Hey, good morning, all. Economic data came out to rally the market up. Jobless claim, initial claims were higher. I took one E-mini on this rally up. I didn't get a good entry. I should have got up here. I took it here, but we're up $100. So see how that work out. Gonna trail the stop. The micros are running up and down. I have two of those. Hi, good morning, bro. The data came out and the market just rally up because jobless claim, initial claim were higher, GDP were higher, core CP price in line. What that's actually saying is that I think the market is figuring out tapering may slow down. They may not keep that deadline for tapering in November, and interest rate would not rate any increase anytime soon. Because it sure see there's employment pressure in the market. It looks like the virus is having a significant impact on the market, the spread of the delta. So to take it up, I put one up, it went against me, I put the next one up. I was hoping to get fill up here, but started to pivot. Data's kind of bad data is good data for the market, right?
Long retracement.
But you know how this market is, it just flip back and forth, right? So
long retracement setup.
I'm still in the E-mini. It's flopping back and forth from $100 to $60, $70. See that? Back and forth, flipping back and forth. All right. I was hoping this can. There's a counter trend, right? Because we have green dots, momentum shift. So anything you get in a trade like this is good. You know what I mean? So take $100. I'm done.
€1.83 trillion is the second highest half year.
Taking off this limit order here, and I keep the micros on. You know. So.
Trading volumes grew 5.1% year on year and 1.6% quarter on quarter.
Oh, we look and see how YM did. Pull back a little also.
Eurozone 1 year
trend long period retracement.
YM have a zone here. They all pull back a little. Nothing much though, you know. It's a little baby pullback here. I mean, this is a 4-tick pullback here. NQ, 4-tick pullback here. My entry was not good. I didn't want to chase it. I had to wait to see a lower low was created here before I took that trade, you know, but we have 35 here. It's coming into. I'm taking this off here. I'll take one off and just keep a runner. Coming into a zone here at 800, you see here. So coming into the zone at 800, so you might try to flip. So I'll take it off at 801. How are you doing this morning? Okay, good. Man, this is still a counter trend trade, right? Still got green dot. But once it gets into this zone, I think it's done. All right, so look at the cumulative delta. This was nice. I should have taken more contracts in the E-mini, but the price action was too whippy, you know. So it flipped right back up, never got filled. But all night the market being up in the green, am I right? The market was trading higher all night. But it pulled back off the overnight high, right? Started around 6 o'clock, start pulling back off. I didn't trade. I wasn't in the mood to trade. I didn't feel it, so I didn't trade. But look where the high is, all the way up here, guy. And it's trading below the 50% level into the data, into the economic data. See that? All of them pull back off the high. I have that in my write-up. The high was all the way here. They all pull back off the high. YM. The high was all the way up here. Watch where it's trading into the numbers. Into the, you see that? Below the 50% level. So they all pull back off the highs. If I've got up early enough, I could have made some money. But I was too tired. See how we get these little swings here? All these swings are playable, am I right? So we ran up here. And then at 3 o'clock, look, into 3 o'clock, they sell it off here. All right? And then 3 o'clock, open to run it off, and then they'll just take it down after the European market open here, right? So as Asia closed, they took it down. European market take it up, and then they take it down. And there's a direct relationship to that, all right? So I still think we're going to rally up because the numbers are not good. So the market like those kind of numbers lately, right? Show you the gross domestic products is higher. So indicating the supply chain is still broken, right? So if you look here, you can see Asia traded pretty well, right? See, China traded, Hong Kong was down, India was down, and then when the European market opened up, they start trading mix. All right, the DAX will open up down, and London was trading mix. Euro Stock 50 was up, and then look now, they're all red. So the yield was also selling off last night. Give the market some cover to rally. Look, the yield is recovering, and we can see how the market digests this today, right? See how it came right back, straight up. Look for another trade.